Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to save a pin on Pinterest. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Pinterest app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're in, start browsing through the vast collection of captivating pins tailored to your interests. When you stumble upon a pin that catches your eye, tap on it to view it in full detail. Step 2. Beneath the pin, you'll find an icon labeled Save. Give it a gentle tap, and a variety of boards will appear for you to choose from. These boards act as virtual folders where you can neatly organize all your saved pins. Select the appropriate board that you want it to be included. There you have it, our detailed guide on how to save a pin on Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials.